Welcome back. This is the train channel. We have an OC&T's light power train. Check it out. Roll it. Potentially be the last train, or unless there's an oil city run. Huh? Let's get the, there they go. Symbol on this train is the OC&T 75. This is the train goes to Titusville, Pennsylvania's freight yard and terminates to Rouseville, Pennsylvania, where it terminates, because we don't know if you're going to go there today or not. All on this Monday, July 31st, 2023, from Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. All right, that's going to be it. We'll be back on with the next train. If we get the Oil City train, we'll get back on. Talk to you later.